If you're in the market for a new or a used vehicle, I would highly recommend that you take that vehicle that you're interested in on a test drive. This way you can assess the characteristics and features of the vehicle to make sure it has everything that you're looking for. A couple of the biggest ones that most people are looking for would be comfort and safety. This is going to be huge whether you have a family or not. You can take a seat in all of the seats, make sure that you comfortably fit, especially if you're a bigger or a taller person. You can assess the braking, the acceleration, the overall noise of the vehicle. If you have a family and you have younger kids, you can pop the car seats in there, make sure that the car seats comfortably fit. If there's tech features that you're looking for, like in this vehicle, there's a rear entertainment system. You can assess if there's Bluetooth capabilities. So if it's Android Auto or Apple CarPlay capable. Otherwise, you can assess the overall visibility again, make sure that if you have longer legs that you can comfortably fit in the back. If you have sports teams that you're lugging around, a bunch of kids that are going from sport to sport, make sure that you can fit all their equipment in the back. You can see that there's a spare tire in the back of the Celto, so that's something that's important for you as well. Overall, if you're taking a vehicle for a test drive, I would recommend that you make a list of the things that are important to you before you test drive the vehicle. That way you can check things off your list, you can be organized, and you can make sure that when you're buying your next vehicle that you are making the smart purchase for yourself and your family. Otherwise, to set up your own test drive, please contact us here at 262-444-5445. Otherwise, take care, enjoy the rest of summer, and we'll see you guys soon.